So first and foremost, I recommend you to use your computer or laptop to do this so you can have a better reach and better view. And then you want to choose on any live or upcoming live session that you would like to save first. So for example, I'm gonna choose to record the live session of this Fox News on the Fox and Friend first. So you want to click on these three dots and then just click on add with the Fox and Friend first. Or if you are on the TV or your smart TV, you can just click on the live. And then on your TV remote or Roku or Fire Stick, you want to click on the arrow facing down a few times until at the bottom of the screen, you will see the plus icon and then you can click on it to save the live show. And second, if you want to save the upcoming live session, so for example, I want to save the upcoming live session at the HBO Max. So you can just search for HBO. And then here on the HBO Max with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down. And then right here on the live tab, you want to scroll down again. And then you can just see on the upcoming live show at the HBO Max. So, for example, if you want to save or record the Fate of the Furious, you want to click on the three dots on the upcoming live show and then click on add with the show name. And then to access the record that you just saved in YouTube TV of your live session or upcoming live session, you want to go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. This is where you store all the recorded live or upcoming live show that you added before. And don't worry, if you don't watch the upcoming live session, the YouTube TV will still record the show for you. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to record a live or upcoming live show on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.